Hey guys, the tutor here. Today we're going to talk about how the COVID-19 has affected on our studies and how we can overcome that. It's not a lesson today, it's a kind of a motivation speech from me. If you haven't subscribed my channel, still it's time to subscribe and smash that bell icon. Whatever, we have to stay safe. We got to follow the basic protective measures during this pandemic and we have to be safe. That's the first thing. Anyway, you know that what are the protective measures that we have to follow. Basically, we have to stay home and stay safe simply and wash your hands. That's it. And after that only we have to think about the studies and the other things. The first thing, we have to stay safe. How can we overcome COVID-19 in studies point of view? The first thing, we have to use this time. We know that everybody is locked down and as a result so everybody is at home. We have to use this time effectively. Otherwise then, after this pandemic it will be a big loss for us. We have to use this time effectively and we have to self-motivate ourselves and we have to do something in an effective way. Our day-to-day life has changed, I'm a traveler. I can't travel. I like to play with my friends. I can't go and play with them and I can't go for practices, so it's a kind of a stress situation. I understand that. So what you have to do anyway, you have to self-motivate. You have to talk to the one who's inside of you and you gotta do something effectively. We have goals, right? So we have to think about that to go for that goal. So we have to obviously work. There's no excuse. This pandemic is not an excuse. It's a kind of a motivation for us. We have to make it a motivation. Then only we can move forward. You can revise the lessons that you have already covered, already finished, and you have enough resources around you because the technology is there and you can't give any excuse. You have enough resources. You have some online classes like myself, what I do here, and we have to work. We can't expect exams to be postponed. We gotta work. We have to be optimistic and we have to work and we have to be positive and move forward. That's it. So I think it's a kind of a motivation speech from me for you guys, and I'm planning to keep posting some videos of you for lessons wise to help you guys online. Okay, till next time.